out here at the festival lot, another extension of ConExpo, where you see a lot of cranes and a lot of equipment out here. Right behind me, I'm standing in front of the Bell Trucks America booth. They got a lot of really cool articulated dump trucks here on display. They've also got the Pronto AI system here and a representative from Pronto. So we're going to stop and talk to her about some of the advantages of having a autonomous articulated dump truck working on your job site. So come with me and take a look at the Bell exhibit.
My name is Susan. I'm with Pronto. We're based in San Francisco, California, and we provide autonomous haulage systems for big trucks like this guy. So we are in ConExpo in Las Vegas. It's 2023's ConExpo. We're thrilled to be here with Bell Trucks, our partner. We have autonomous haulage systems that retrofit existing fleets using camera and GPS technology. We connect it with the drive-by-wire systems, and then we program your trucks to be able to go from A to B. An operator just has to record a single time, and then that truck will memorize the route and will be able to go round and round as long as you wish for it to go. So if you want more information, visit us at pronto.ai.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Neville Paynter with Bell Trucks America, and just want to welcome you onto our exhibition stand here in ConExpo 2023. So on the exhibition booth this afternoon, we have B50, B45, B20, a B30, and really good to be able to show the machines off, especially the B20 with the low ground pressure tires. Magnificent for poor underfoot condition operating. Behind me is the 45, and the 45 we fitted it out with the autonomous solution from Pronto, and we're really excited about that opportunity. That's going to be an excellent opportunity for our dealers and for our customers to get into autonomy. Further to that, we've recently just signed a distribution with an Italian company called Fiori. Fiori manufactures mini site dumpers as well as concrete mixers, and today we have the self-batching concrete mixer on the booth today, and that is a really exciting product as well. So really good attendance at ConExpo, and we just want to also thank all our dealers for being here, and especially the National Equipment Dealers is our biggest dealer in the United States, and we've seen a lot of their guys around, brought some customers onto the exhibition booth, and we just want to thank them for great support for Bell Trucks America. Thank you.